Good morning, students. Today we will discuss measure of a center tendency, mean. First we will discuss average of a data. For the given data, a single value of the variable representing the entire data which describe the characteristics of the data is called an average of data. An average terms to lie central with the value of the variable arranged in ascending order of the magnitude. So we call an average a measure of center tendency of the data. Mainly we are interested to three type of average. First mean, second median and third mode. Arithmetic mean. The average of number in arithmetic is known as a arithmetic mean of their number is statics. Then mean of an ungrouped data. We discuss mean of an ungrouped data. The arithmetic mean or simple the mean of n observation x1, x2, x3 so on is given by the formula mean is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on nth term divided by n. Means in the short form we can write sigma xi by n. This symbol is, we can say it is a sigma, and standard form it is a summation of the term. Next, mean of group data. First we will discuss direct method. When the variable x1, x2, x3 so on have frequency f1, f2, f3 so on respectively, then the mean is given by the formula mean is equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus so on fn xn whole divided by sum of frequency, means f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus so on fn. In the short form we can write summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. The next topic is shortcut method for finding the mean. Under this method, larger quantity get converted to the smaller ones, kindly making the process of multiplication and division easily. For the method, for the given data, we suitable choose the terms, usually the middle term, and call it a assumed mean to be denoted by a. We find the deviation di is equals to xi minus assumed mean a for each terms. So mean is equals to, in the shortcut method, mean is equals to formula a plus summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. Di is equals to, I told, xi minus a. Then next point is step deviation method. Next method is step deviation method. For each class, find the class mark. You know now how to find the class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. It is a class mark, and class size is equals to upper limit minus lower limit. So mean is equals to formula a plus c into summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi. C is a class size, and I told you class size, how to find class size. Class size is equals to upper limit minus lower limit, and ui is equals to xi minus a divided by c. This is the formula by find the mean by using the step deviation method. Thank you.